Hi viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Karthikeyana. So we got more information on coronavirus vaccine today. There is an emerging trend about mixing and matching of coronavirus vaccines. So what do you mean by mixing and matching of coronavirus vaccine? So traditionally the coronavirus vaccine which has been given in India, which is Covishield or Covaxin, they are manufactured in slightly different ways. For example, Covishield is manufactured by injecting a component of the coronavirus into a commonly available virus called adenovirus, which is found everywhere in various animals and in humans. So this adenovirus is attached to the coronavirus protein and then injected into the human body. So the human body reacts to this adenovirus, develops antibodies not only against the coronavirus particle but also against this adenovirus. So the drawback is that when the vaccine is given for the second time after a gap of 8 weeks or 12 weeks, whatever the case may be, the already formed antibodies against the adenovirus actually kills the adenovirus rapidly. So the vaccine becomes less effective because the whole adenovirus containing the coronavirus particle gets killed by the antibodies present in the system. So in order to overcome this difficulty, so there are certain companies in the world which are manufacturing coronavirus vaccine with a completely new technology called as the mRNA vaccines. And examples of mRNA vaccine would be the Pfizer vaccine or the Moderna vaccine, which is being increasingly used in Western countries. So here a component of the coronavirus particle is injected directly into the human body without attaching them to a adenovirus. So hence every time you inject this particle into the human body, antibodies are formed, and when you inject it for the second time also, there is no concern and more antibodies are formed. So that's why many of these are called as mRNA vaccine, the Pfizer vaccine and the Moderna vaccine. So they are given at an interval of 3 weeks, so almost very rapidly one after the other, to provide good levels of protection against coronavirus. So scientists in Western countries claim that by mixing and matching, so if you give Covishield the first time, follow it up with a dose of Pfizer or Moderna vaccine the second time in order to have more effective levels of protection against coronavirus infection. Not only this, the scientists have also shown that by combining different types of vaccine together, one after the other, they are also able to protect better against the new variants of coronavirus, for example the Delta plus variant of coronavirus infection. So what should be the gap between the two doses? So ideally they say that a gap of around 8 weeks is required between the two different types of coronavirus vaccines. Now a common question people have is, can we give Covishield the first time and the Covaxin the next time? The answer is no, because they are almost prepared from a similar technology and you need to have two different types of technology for the two different types of vaccine. So there is no point in giving Covishield followed by Covaxin, as the two types of vaccine are almost similar in terms of their effectiveness. So if you find this video useful, please share with your family and friends, like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health updates like this. So do post your comments in the comment section below, and if you have any feedback, also provide them on the comment section below. We'll be happy to take your questions. Thank you so much.